Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you the story, the Pied Piper. So once upon a time there was a city in Germany called Hamelin. So Hamelin was a very clean and prosperous city. So it was situated by the bank of a river. This happened 50 years ago. 50 years ago, Hamelin was a very unclean city. People threw their garbage on the roads, and the surroundings of the houses were very unhygiene. Because of this, many airborne and waterborne diseases were spread throughout Hamelin. This garbage also attracted rodents, reptiles, and insects. Unusually, the number of rats in the city of Hamelin increased very rapidly. So there were rats everywhere. These rats caused a lot of trouble for the people in it. They bit the children and caused infectious diseases, and also they destroyed the cloth and spoiled the food. In this way, the city was suffering from it. The people went to the mayor to get to for help. They wanted the mayor to come up with a solution to get rid of the rats. So they held a meeting at the mayor's office. They discussed it for a week, but they were unable to come up with a solution to get rid of the rats. So a man entered the council and said that his name is Pied Piper and he could get rid of all the rats. The council mocked him and asked how would he get rid of the rats. Even such intelligent people didn't come up with a solution to it. The Pied Piper got angry and decided to show them. He took out his flute and started playing it. The Pied Piper had an ability to summon creatures by playing his flute. All the rats came near the Pied Piper. So he started walking to the river. And when he walked to the river, all the rats fell into the river, drowned and died. Thus, the city or the town got rid of the rats. So all the people appreciated the Pied Piper for his help. So he was also rewarded 100 pieces of gold from the council and the town. He felt very happy. He gave the people an advice. He said, if something like this should never happen, they should keep their surroundings clean and healthy and hygienic for the concern of the future. So after that, they cleaned their surroundings and kept sanitized. In this way, they lived happily ever after. Thank you.